students, welcome to SHI online classes of chemistry. Today is the revision class of chemistry. The topic of today is ketone functional group. Ketone functional group. Firstly, I tell you what is ketone functional group. Students, C double bond O. Those type of hydrocarbons which contain CO functional group containing ketone functional group. Today I'll start the naming of ketone functional group, which is also known as IUPAC of ketone functional group. Those type of organic compound which contains CO functional group is known as ketone functional group. Ketone functional group at least having 3 carbon atom, because that is a single group which present between of 2 carbon atom. For example, that is a single functional group which having the between functional group. It have 2 carbon atom present side, that is the first carbon atom which present in this side, and that is the second one carbon which present in this side. And CO functional group present in between of 2 carbon atom. It have 3 carbon atom, that is why parent alkane is prop. Carbon to carbon having single bond, students, that is why we use ane. And it contains CO functional group, which is a representation symbol of ketone functional group, that is why we use ON. Last 3 word of ketone is used in IUPAC of ketone functional group, which is ON. So IUPAC of, when we add ON, E is removed of parent alkane. So IUPAC of this organic compound is propanone. Now, second problem is स्टूडेंट्स, IUPAC कभी भी आपको देखने से समझ में नहीं आएगी. इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप IUPAC प्रॉब्लम्स को जितना देख रहे हैं उससे ज्यादा उसको करना भी स्टार्ट कीजिए. जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं तब तक आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस प्रॉब्लम 1, 2, 3 and 4, there are 4 number of carbon and CO functional group is present from this side 1 and 2. Second position, that is where we start the counting from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It have 4, that is where we use but. Carbon to carbon atom having single bond, that is why we use ane. And it have CO functional group, that is why we use O. So this organic compound IUPAC name is butanone. Now I'll start the third problem. Students, third problem is What is the IUPAC? What is the IUPAC naming of this organic compound? So student, when double bond and halogen extra functional group present in this IUPAC, that is why the first rule is start the long chain of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It have 5 number of carbon. Why we start the counting from this side? Because this side having double bond present in first position and it also contain Cl, and in this side we start the counting. It present ketone functional group in second position and this side it also present in that position. That is why I'll tell you we start the counting from this side. It have 5 number of carbon. That is why we use pent. We use pent. Carbon having double bond of first position, that is why we use 1. Double bond we use E. And second position having CO functional group, that is why we use 2 ohm. स्टूडेंट्स आप सोच रहे होंगे यहाँ पे 2 लिखा हुआ है, नहीं, आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे 3 लिखेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन 3 पोजीशन. थर्ड पोजीशन में आपका CO फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ पे 2 इसीलिए लिखा, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं इस चीज में कि 2 लिखूं या 3 लिखूं. दैट इज वे जहां पे आपका कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होगा आप उसको वही लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या प्रेजेंट होगा 3 ओन. बट इट यहाँ पे आपका you contain on just because of ketone functional group. That is why you remove E from E. Why? Because ketone functional group, when we add on, E is removed from their position. And second position having Cl functional group, that is why you use 2 chloro. And first letter is capital letter, another all letter is small letter according to IUPAC rule. So IUPAC naming of this hydrocarbon compound which contain ketone functional group is 2-chloro-pent 1-ene 3-on. Thank you. Have a nice day.